Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by placing a progress bar on the form and configuring min, max, and initial value. This gives you a measurable range. Once done, decide whether you need to terminate progress or the marquee style for unknown durations. Make sure to wire up a background worker or plan an async task so you don't block the UI. Immediately set up a basic loop or sample workload that reports increments to prepare the first progress updates and confirm the control animates correctly. Next, implement safe progress reporting from the worker. Prefer iProgressT with progress T in modern async code so you can call report from a background task and it will marshal to the UI automatically. If you use threads, make sure to use invoke or begin invoke to set progress bar value, otherwise cross-thread exceptions occur. Compute % by scaling current work to the min/max range, then update the value. Also smooth updates by batching reports. Don't flood the UI with dozens per millisecond. When the job completes, set value to max and restore any disabled controls so the user can continue. If you supported cancellation, honor the cancellation token and reset the progress bar. Value to 0 or appropriate state when stopping. Dispose of workers and clear handlers to avoid leaks. If the bar never moves, check 3 things: that min/max are correct, that you're actually calling report/invoke from the worker, and that the UI thread isn't blocked by synchronous work. Those are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.